Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. At present, the Australian dollar is still holding relatively well considering the whipsaw price action that we've seen over Friday and Monday. Looking into the technicals, the price is still holding up and I feel that the RSI could push a little bit further to the upside this morning and therefore look towards the region of 63, 70, 80 as a potential target. Any pullback should find support around 62.80. Looking at the euro, the market is near enough broken just above the down channel. However, I would like to see a little bit more action towards the upside after the market closed in New York and posted a weak Japanese candlestick to the hammer pattern, and therefore that could see a further rise if we see a close above 99.35 and look up towards 101 to 103 as a potential target. The US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, ended flat around 111.80. The dollar yen was very whipsawed over the last 2 days and the market closed relatively flat from this morning in New York, but still with a little bit to the weaker side. And I feel that there is still potential for a further slide, that is towards 145.60, although was claimed yesterday, could be revisited. Even though the market has actually displayed two stabs to the downside, we can see that 143.40 can still possibly be achieved, given from the technical breakdown as well that is supporting this negative case. Sterling, well, the market is a little bit mixed over the close of New York. Still, the technicals are still supportive to a further challenge to the upside and therefore could see a rise up to 114 to about 114.95 as a potential target and reassess. With any weakness, I believe that the demand or the bulls may enter back into the market around 112.75.85. A little bit whipsaw when it comes to gold as the market took the challenge back to the top side of the range of 1,664 to 66 and rejected that level clearly from the recent rejection. It still holds in terms of a slightly firmer case that may see a revisit there. Until we get a clear break and a New York close above 1,666, then overall we could see another down challenge eventually towards the bottom side of this range of 1,621. And also not forgetting, we've got the engulfing candle that still waits confirmation to support the reversal of the trend, which at present hasn't been confirmed until we see the close above 1,666. And finishing off with oil, well, the market over the last 3 days is closed flat and still around that 85 handle. As you can see here, the market from the initial pullback could actually display a weaker play into today and therefore look towards 83.5. Overall, though, I think the market is struggling to recapture its bullish momentum, so therefore could eventually put 81 back on the radar as a potential target. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.